there probably aren't courses on some of the emerging technology now, whereas you could actually, be teaching yourself a lot of those and be a trailblazer in those fields, especially as AI kind of connects you more and more into sort of working with different technologies. And even if you get micro sort of qualifications from a lot of the universities, I think there's so many things to factor in there. And I agree with you, Joe. I think communication skills and then also the networks that you make. Do you meet the people that you're going to go into business with? Do you have the mentors that can steer you, exactly, where you need to go in life? So I think there are a lot of benefits there, but it's really up to the person to see, what they're interested in, and maybe it's even a hybrid approach of working and learning at the same time.
An important point is to tell you which jobs are most vulnerable just within the next few years. And what's interesting in our research is that, what's happening right now, we could break it down into kind of they call the first wave, what's already happening. And, that's everything from data entry, content moderation, basic copywriting, and social media management are all seeing like 20 to 40% declines in job postings and opportunities.
I'm surprised about the social media management. You'd think they would need a human touch more than the others.
I think that's where people are calling AI slop, where you're able to automate a lot more, but it's just going to be a lot more noise.
Generates and posts a bunch of junk. Yeah.
So I think being able to be more unique, something that is more real, is going to outpace all the AI slop that's going to probably be coming out. Thank God we've got Brindley, who's completely AI generated, who's talking right now.
Precisely. That's what I'm here for.
So the second wave within the next year or two, they said, is entry level accounting, basic legal research. That's interesting because I've got friends that are in the have their own law firms, so having their own paralegals, they can do a lot more with less because that's very time consuming. Reviewing documents and law and the cases, just being able to quickly speed through that's you're cutting down on the amount of paralegals you need. And they said medical coding, first level customer service. We know that. I mean, that's, the chatbots and help that you're trying to at least get them through that first point of safety before they start to hit somebody who's real. And then, as you guys know, the routine software development tasks, if you can leverage that and it's spitting out something that's actually good and not hackable, that's something that can help. It's a force multiplier, basically, is what that helps with. Third wave is the next 3 to 5 years. So they're saying that the advanced language models combined with specialized tools can significantly impact roles like, again, paralegals, market research analysis. That's interesting because I've definitely used AI for just market research on competitors, things like that, and trying to find things that would take me hours to do my own research on by just doing Google searching. Financial advisors, maybe not investments yet, but definitely for sure, like where should I put my money? How should I invest? I mean, I think a lot of the messages are pretty much the same.
That is an interesting one, and I'm really interested to see where that goes, because if you're using AI to sort of guide you in a certain direction, you'd think that same AI is going to guide everyone in the same direction. In which case it just dilutes the value of things in a way when you're looking at shares and things like that.
That's true.
Yeah, interesting to see where that goes. Yeah.
I'm curious. In video games, cheat codes let you skip months of grinding to unlock special abilities instantly. Have you ever wished for something similar for your software challenges? What if there's a way to instantly access 20 plus years of specialized expertise instead of developing it all internally? What if you could solve in weeks what might otherwise take months or years? Would you agree that most organizations face a steep learning curve when implementing new software solutions? At my company Impact, we serve as that cheat code for companies looking to transform complex software into intuitive experiences that users love and that drive real business results. Would it be valuable to explore? And how might this work for your specific situation? Visit impact.io for a free strategy session focused on your unique challenges.